Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to cook some hamburger. I got this hunkin' thing of ground beef that I let thaw out overnight. It's still a little cool, but it should be good. So let's go ahead and get started. Now as you can see, this is quite a lot of hamburger. This will probably make me, I would say, 5 full-size jumbo hamburgers. Oil stuff. I don't even really know what it is. It's like oil. Why not? And then let's just take some spice, just for fun. I probably could have marinated it overnight. That would have been better, but whatever. I'm on my way to work, and I don't have a lot of time. It's actually, right now it's 11 o'clock. So what I want to do is I want to divide this into 5 sections. And you're thinking to yourself, that's not going to be 5. Well, yeah, I know. But cooking hamburger in the GoSun, this is basically what you want to do. So what we'll do, let's take our nice big fat slabs. Now I'm going to try and combine these two. Make an extra fat slab. Okay, me and the cat are gonna go ahead and put this outside. Generally for me, I don't have any sun that I can use on my porch, so I gotta go downstairs. So I need to figure out some sort of a security thing, but for the most part, we're out of sight, out of mind. So what do I want in a burger? Well, first thing I absolutely want is jalapenos. No burger, in my opinion, is complete without jalapenos. So, yeah, let's do one more. I think Gouda really might be the ticket to ride, but I just like the quintessential cheese, you know, your quintessential burger cheese here, so check. Got that. Obviously, no burger is complete without some onions. Try not to cut myself here. Upstairs and checked it out, and it's 12:10, so it's been on for a little more than an hour. Lots of really great sun at 5,200 feet here. So I think these are actually done. So I'll go ahead and show you the results. Lots of juice. Kind of messy. Not gonna lie. But that's okay. We got our, see, I'm dripping all over the place. We got ourselves 168 internal tube temperature, 206. Now, that's not crazy hot, but when you consider that the FDA food cooking temperature guidelines are to maintain the internal temperature of over 160 degrees for, I believe it's 10 minutes. I'll have to double check that. So let's just go ahead and take a quick section view. Now this is how I'm going to make my burger once I actually get to work. I'll take a couple pictures of it. Ah, very hot. 140. Ah. So hot. I should be using like a tong or something. So, I know a lot of you like your burgers pink, but again, since this is like a pressure cooker crossbred with an oven, it's gonna keep all the flavor in it. It's gonna keep a lot more moisture in, as you just saw. So this is how I'm going to go ahead and declare this as done. And we'll just heat it up for 30 seconds, a minute. Final product.